am Panya. Today we'll be playing Surgeon Simulator. Yay! Okay, we're on kidney transplant now. Bam. Okay, so that's kind of good. And then yeah. Oh, I'm already breaking stuff, guys. Alright, so this is a bit different than the other one, guys. So, oh yeah, look what we have. Laser. Laser in my, oh crap, I forgot how to play already. It's been like a week. I forgot how to play already. Okay. Wait, why am I recording? Wait, why am I... Yeah, guys, I've probably totally forgotten how to play. I'm already losing 7 milliliters of blood, guys. Look at that. I already forgot how to play, guys. Okay. Now... What? I'm sorry, what? Oh. Don't tell me I just did that for nothing. Please, come on. Come on, dude. You made me do that all for nothing? Really? Really? I don't believe you right now. Yeah, there we go. Now, dude, I want you to promise me something. No matter how much this hurts, you will not tell your mommy. Okay? Okay? No matter how much blood you lose, no matter how much blood you lose, you will not tell your mommy. Okay? Okay? I'm just gonna let that go for now. Now I'm gonna grab this. Crap. 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 Okay. I have got to stop him from bleeding. Stop bleeding. Stop bleeding. Stop bleeding. Stop it! Thank you. Okay. Now, where do I have to cut now? Right, can I just take it out now? Yeah, no, I can't. Maybe if I can take out the bones right here. Come on. Crap. How do I... What do I do now? I literally don't know where to cut now, guys. I'm having... Wait. Wait. Oh yeah, maybe I can take out the liver or something. Crap. Guys, I'm just gonna grab a hammer. I'm gonna smash his spine. Okay? You think about it. Does he really need a spine? I mean, what are those, not a spine. Does he really need a rib cage, guys? I mean, what does he need that for? He's gonna get all of these transplants, and you're telling me that he needs a rib cage, guys? Really? Really? Really now? Really now? Let's just throw that away. Grab the syringe. Okay. And go like this. Go like this. Yep. Yup. Yeah. Okay. Now we can probably grab this thing out. Come on. Yeah. Now grab it. Pull it out. Come on. Come on. You can pull that thing out. I mean, like, how hard can it be to pull a single organ out? Come on. Come on. Just reach in and pull it out. Come on. Oh, I grabbed a bone. Wow. Pull it out. Does it, like, not come out for this? Are you telling me I'm just gonna have to cut it blind? I do have knives here. I feel like they might be a bit more, better to use. Where do I have to cut, guys? I don't know where I gotta cut. I mean, like, it's indicated with the pink, but I don't see any more pink. Wait a minute. Isn't it like you could, like, cut these little ones? No. Is it? You cut this or something. I don't know, guys. Guys, I don't know. I mean, come on, guys. I'm not a doctor. You expect me to know this stuff, guys? Creators of this game, you expect me to know how to play it if I'm not a doctor? Huh? I don't know how to play it. You're losing freaking too much blood. Better turn you off, let you go, grab you, poke your face with it. Yep, okay, you're good now. Okay. Now, can I grab this out now? What the? Can I please? Wait. You're gonna sit here and tell me because I freaking didn't have that little tiny piece of rib cut. I'm gonna call bullcrap on that. So, no. You, game, you can do a lot of things to me. But that is one thing that you cannot take away from me. My power to stop him from bleeding. because I know a different way. Okay? Once he loses all of his blood, there's no more blood for him to lose. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, then. Yeah, okay. Glad we understand each other. Okay. Here's the plan. Like this. Okay. Yeah. You're gonna just go like that. Just go like that. Nope. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna just push it. Okay. Now I'm gonna. Crap. Okay, good. Yeah, that's how you fix yourself, guys, with the blue needle thing. With the blue needle. Crap! No. No! I refuse to let him die. No! No! Pick up! Stupid thing. Please tell me you will work. Wait. Where did it go? Come on. Come on. Where did it go? Move your head, please. Oh. No! Crap. 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 Crap! Okay, guys, I think we've assumed that I've already finished. This video is actually getting kind of long. Yeah, it's actually getting kind of long now, so I think I'm gonna... 12 minutes. I thought it'd been longer than that. Oh, sorry, guys. You've been seeing, like, it's been small. That's weird. I don't know why it's been like that. Shouldn't be. There we go. It should be a bit fixed. I don't know why you guys had the black border on you. Okay. Well, the game has crashed. Yeah. This company, I can't remember what they're called now, for some reason. But this company, their games likes to crash on me a lot. I don't know why. It's just no other games do this to me. Ever. Except for these ones. So, yeah. If you liked it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see all you guys